Hello viewers, this is me Santhosh Bala and you are seeing my channel, my first video over here. So today I'm going to give you a tip as well as a tutorial about how to change the location of any cracked Adobe CC apps from the default C drive, which is the OS drive, from the deserved drives which we like to change over there. So this basically happens because some of them does not have enough storage in C drive, so that he wants to change that app file, the software, Adobe cracked Adobe apps from there to serve the other F drive or D drive, some other drive which you want. So today I'm going to be helping in that. And basically, if you install any Adobe cracked apps, it won't default install in the custom drive. Even if you give a custom installation and if you give a custom path to install the app, it won't install. So what you need to do is you just need to do a simple one. You just need to copy from where it installed on the C drive into the disk where you want. So I'm going to show with an example of media encoder. So all the apps gets installed in C drive in this location. So open your C drive and program files and go to Adobe, and you can see here. So if you have already installed in custom location, no problem, that's going to be no need of changing the location. And another thing, if you have a genuine version of these apps, there's going to be no reason, seeing in this video, because you already have Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, so you can change from there because it's very easy to change. No need to copy and cut and paste and all. So basically the app file will be here, so it will be like so let me open the location where currently my media encoder is. So it's in my another drive, not in the C drive. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to replace it in the C drive, and again I'm going to take it for you again to my server drive. So if you are having the app in the C drive, it look like the folder will be here. So what we need to do is, just wait a second, I will just copy here, paste it here, because basically here's where the Adobe apps, the cracked Adobe apps will be. So we just move it. This does not take much time because it's like about 2.45 gigabyte. So you guys see that I had almost moved from my custom drive to the C drive. You may ask why people just change from C drive to another local drive, because C drive is where the operating system is installed. So if you don't have enough space in that, or if it fills up, it just obviously slows down your computer. So in order to prevent that, you just need to move from the C drive, the base apps, or the apps we does not need. We need to move that from the C drive to another drive. So if we don't have partition, it's well and good, but if you have partition, it's going to be a problem for you, because if you don't have partitions, you may not need to move from C drive, because there's going to be only one partition called C drive. So here, as you can see, it had moved. We need to just right click, right click and cut, or just click it and control and X. So this is a tip, this is a shortcut for cutting or cut any object or folder. So you need to cut this and open your deserved folder, or the folder which you need or which you like to move this app, and I'm going to move it over here, as you can see. So I'm going to move it here, as I have already created a folder for this. And we need to right click and paste, or control V. Again, I'm giving you a tip, keep in mind, okay? So it asks for administrator permission because it is in local disk C, and it requires administrator protection, because it is where the OS is installed, so no one can access it without permission of administrator. So let's just wait for another few minutes to get copied in here. This is the process basically, where we can move our Adobe apps from C drive to our custom drive. So let's just wait for it. So the number of items depends upon the what app you have, because this is a very simple app, media encoder. In case if you have an After Effect installed with all the plugins or Premiere Pro, it costs you more than 14,000 or even 20,000 items. So that's take a bit more time, and the time process through which the apps gets moved depends upon your hardest storage speed. So we can see here at move, and if you have any taskbar pins over here, you just need to unpin from taskbar. Again, I'm not unpinning the Premiere Pro, so that's not going to be a problem. Also, if you have something like here in start menu, so again you have to unpin from it, because we need to do it as a new. So, and also if you have anything like recently installed, and if you see that Adobe Media Encoder, so you just need to right click over that app and go to more. So in my case I'm not having, because I've already cleared that list, and you need to right click on that and clear this, or unpin from, or delete it. So there's going to be no problem in that. You just need to do one thing: right click on this, or right click on this, as you can see, and pin to start. So now it gets pinned to the start over here like this. So success, just have moved an app from local disk C to local disk E where you like. So just need to organize it wherever you want to place, and also you can just pin it on the taskbar like this. Just drag it and just like this. So that's it, over. And if you click it, it just opens the app, because we are just creating a shortcut for it. And the same for any other apps, Media Encoder, or even After Effects, Animate. A lot of things are there. So I hope it likes and hope it helps for you. And thank you for watching. Like this video if you like, and share to your friends if they have the same doubt. Subscribe to my channel, because you may be the first subscriber of me and you get any giveaways further soon. Bye.